What's up, guys? So today we're coming at you with some important news for Tesla. As you can see, today it took a huge dip. With expectations before battery day, the stock is getting very volatile and very scary if you're an investor, especially if you're on the calls or put side of investing, which I said in my previous video that this is a great long-term hold, but I said this stock is very volatile. And I'll tell you why this stock dropped off so hard in the after hours, and it had to do with Elon Musk tweeting out something right before battery day. And man, do I feel bad for not only myself, who took a couple of safe debit spreads on Tesla, but imagine the people that took the calls on Tesla. Look at this, $31 down after hours. And as it is rising back a little bit and recovering, I don't think Wall Street really understands this tweet. And I don't think this tweet is as bad as people are interpreting it. And as we can see, 5% down is horrible for the stock right now because this week we're only up, 2% and just took out the gains. But we'll now look at the tweet on why we see so much volatility after market. Elon first tweeted out, important note about Tesla battery day unveiled tomorrow. This affects long-term production, especially semi, Cybertruck, and Roadster, but what we announced will not reach serious high-volume production until 2022. Now, of course, this is going to have a huge hit on the stock because I don't understand really why he would tweet this. But of course, it's his company. Of course, the stock market and Wall Street is going to affect negatively on this, considering that he says this affects long-term production. But what I don't think they understand is that they will not reach serious high volume production until 2022 of this because what they're revealing is going to be new. And obviously, anything that you're producing, new batteries, new this, new that, it's going to take a long time to produce. Now, I'm no genius on the whole battery thing. I don't know any of those specs. But what I do see up here is the tweet after that. He says, we intend to increase, not reduce battery cell purchases from Panasonic, LG, possibly other partners too. However, even with our cell suppliers going on maximum speed, we will foresee significant shortages in 2020 and beyond unless we take actions ourselves, which I think that's where Wall Street is getting it wrong. They're not seeing the picture of Tesla is saying this because they're mass producing these vehicles and they cannot keep up with battery demand. Now everybody's expecting them, of course, to switch to the bigger and better battery, but they can't just put those in the new models if they're already out there. You can't just pull up your, old Tesla and go get the brand new batteries. So that's how I kind of interpret this tweet. You might interpret it a different way. Under the tweets where people respond to him that know a lot more knowledge about batteries and the specs of Tesla that I do not. I am only looking at this as a stock perspective, and my thesis is that Tesla will rebound, but not as fast as people expected. Now, if this wasn't tweeted out, I would expect Tesla to fly tomorrow, but honestly, it's so volatile. And with this tweet, I don't think people will really digest this information right or correct like I think I'm doing with it. So I think we might have a big drop tomorrow. But what is going to be unveiled on Battery Day, Elon Musk said it himself, is still going to be incredible and blow people's minds. So keep steady, keep looking forward to it. If you have a call, I'm praying for you. If you have a put, good job, man. Other than that, please trade at your own risk. These are all only my opinions of the stock. Comment what you guys think below, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Other than that, I'm out. Peace, guys.